Hi class, so some of you have been asking, once you create your video, how do you submit it? So I like to use YouTube, so you can just create a free account and go onto youtube.com and click upload, and then it'll ask you, you can record straight from your webcam if you don't want to do any editing. That's simple and a nice fast way to do it. Or you can upload the video if you've done it in iMovie if you have a Mac, or Windows Movie Maker, etc. There are also some great recording programs that come with webcams nowadays, so those are great. Once you have it uploaded, you can go to the actual page that it's on, and then you can click embed, and then you can select your color if you want a border, so show border. I don't like to include related videos. And then you can choose the size that you want, and then it creates this HTML source code. So you highlight it, and then you copy, and then you go over to our discussion board where you create your new post. And then if you're using Safari or Netscape, you want to switch to Firefox to be able to see this source button. So you click on source, and then you go into the actual text box, and then you click paste, and then you'll see the source code that we got from YouTube when we clicked embed. So I'm going to say, my son dancing. And then you go down, you click submit, and there you go. So that's the same in the Dropbox or when you're submitting your assignments. If you don't want to share it with the class, you can do it that way. And actually, I prefer that you submit it, if you want to share it in the discussion board, feel free to do so. But then please also submit it in the weekly Dropbox, because that's the way that it connects to the gradebook. So if you have any questions, let me know. If there's any technical difficulties, technical support's really good with all of that. I am Mac and PC friendly, so I know both ways. Normally I'll have my Mac if I'm traveling, but I can pretty much remember how it is on the PC too. It's pretty similar. So you upload it on YouTube by clicking upload after creating your free account, going to the actual page that it's on, click embed, and then copy the source code, and then go into new post, click on this thing right here that's at the end, right next to the spell check, and then paste it. It's that simple, and then when you hit submit, then it'll be there. So we'll go back into here, and I'll show you where my son dancing is. The discussion board, you can see my son dancing. So make sure that when you're viewing it, you're viewing all posts, not just the unread, because they'll show that it's already read since you were the one that posted it. And then you can watch the YouTube right in the discussion board. So that's your creative project if you want to do it with the podcast. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing yours. Have a great weekend.